What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Justin Hawk Smith channel. In today's video, as you all just saw that little edit, we are actually traveling about an hour up north to meet up with Colt Pennington, popping up right here on the screen. That's gonna be his Instagram username. Y'all go give him a follow. This truck has a Stryker Off-Road Designs lift kit. It's a Platinum F250, 2014 model to be exact. I guess we'll start with the lift first. So which lift is this? Stryker Off-Road Designs, just like on my truck.
Yep, 16 to 20 inch on their, what was it, Sniper coilovers.
Okay, yeah, so you've got the actual Stryker coilovers as well.
Yeah.
So he's got the Stryker coilovers, as you all seen.
What else we do? Well, already done the index plate.
Okay.
And
so for the four-wheel drive to work at 16 inches of lift, did you have to get a new front drive shaft?
yeah, I had that modified.
Okay. So he did have that front drive shaft modified, and did you have to index it or just get a new front drive shaft?
No, I had to index it and I had to put the spacer.
So do you know exactly how much lift is in the rear? So that's a, what is that, a 5-inch block?
Yeah, it's a 5-inch.
5-inch block with, what are those, like 6-inch leaf springs or something?
I believe it's sitting at like 14.
14 in the rear?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a hair lower in the rear than the front. I think it looks even more dramatic on camera. Same with mine. Mine's not near squatted in person as it is in the pictures.
It looks way worse. I know, when you sit on camera.
But he actually, this is what's going to be done to my faceplates. This is where my faceplates are at, actually. They're still at Stryker getting milled out. So as I showed y'all in that other video, they'll get powder coated with that first color, and then they'll get milled out, and then they get clear coated. So that's what they'll look like pretty much. So you can see the level of detail in these Stryker kits. It looks absolutely awesome. And then as far as wheels, these are 28 by 16 specialty forged. Man, those are awesome. Do you know what spoke pattern that is exactly?
The SF037.
SF037. And those are on the 40 1550 or the
1550s.
Yeah, 40 1550 28, guys. Check those out. Those look absolutely awesome. And then your drag link and the track bar, what is that? Super chrome powder coat?
Yep.
Is that what that is? So that's the chrome powder coat. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it turned out really well. I knew it was going to end up turning to silver, but I mean, the truck's silver, so it kind of went with it.
It matches the sway bar links. I guess those are aluminum, aren't they?
Yeah,
or the sway bar links aluminum? So are you going to do, I see that it has the steering stabilizer shocks. Are you going to do some steering stabilizer shocks?
You know, I'm gonna get some. I want to do the Stryker, like just like what you have up front. I want to do that whole thing.
Man, that 6.7 sounds so good. Stayed down there a week, so I mean, he easily drove this truck probably 22 to 24 hours and put well over 5,000 miles on it so far since he's had it built, and he's loving it. So you all can definitely hit up Stryker Off-Road Designs, and these are their coilovers and everything. And I guess we're gonna get in and go for a little ride in it and take y'all along with us and maybe get some sound clips of this big 6.7 roaring. All right, go ahead and give us a couple revs. We'll let you go ahead and let you hear this thing. She sounds pretty good. Wow, that thing sounds wicked. We're gonna go ahead and go hit the interstate and get some roller shots, and then I'm gonna throw something together for you, and then we'll tell Colt goodbye and do one last walk around to this beautiful 6.7, and then we're hitting the road headed back. He's gotta get back, I've gotta get back, but it was super awesome filming this video, guys. But anyway, let's go ahead and get some of these rollers in, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll those right now. stuff. What's to come for the truck? What are you gonna do to it next? What all do you have in store for it?
We're gonna install the rear 4-link.
Okay, so
for Daytona.
Doing rear 4-link. He's gonna get that done by Daytona probably. So train horns and 4-link is what you have looking forward to this absolutely beautiful Platinum, guys. So don't forget to go follow Colt. Really appreciate you, Colt, for letting me come make this YouTube video, man.
No problem, man.
Super nice meeting you. We're gonna go ahead and sign off with these two beautiful trucks in the background here, guys. Always remember, everybody starts as a nobody. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace.